Hello everybody, Nick Skiba here with a 2018 F-150. This is an XLT crew cab with a 5.5 foot box, and it's got about 14,000 miles on it is all. So one nice feature with XLT is you get a high quality cloth seat, and in this particular model has the center console like what a Lariat would have. Touchscreen with navigation means it's an up-level model. Got the heated seats, and there's the miles, 14.8. You can see there. Has all the same features in XLT, which would have tilt telescope wheel, steering wheel that is, power adjustable pedals. This one's the sport model, so it's de-chromed, which means it's got a body color bumper and a black grille with body color inserts. The bed, very little use, very nice. Coming into the interior here, nice convenient charge ports, lots of backseat leg room for your passengers, running boards, aluminum wheels. This is the perfect truck to make a new first vehicle for you. Come and check it out at Snowy Mountain Motors.